Namaskaram, ladies and gentlemen. It's wonderful connecting with you once again on the topic of pragmatic leadership. So far, we have been discussing quite a number of different concepts. The very purpose of I'm trying to record these videos, I know that many of you may or may not have the reading habit, and hence, if I recommend reading my book, you might not have time to do so. So I thought it may be a good idea if I can convert my book instead of making it as an audio book, taking certain concepts and then try to talk to you about it, which probably you can spend 5 to 7 minutes with me in trying to grasp those ideas. So the very purpose of writing this book is to bring about the concept of leadership in order to make good use of our potential. It is said that the human beings are utilizing only 5% of their potential during the course of their life. For a variety of reasons, they are not able to unearth the remaining part of the potential. So in this video, I would like to talk about something very simple and easy to grasp, that why some of us are not able to make a significant progress in our career. So during the course of my initial days, I had a mentor who was trying to help me out in trying to discover myself over a period of time. And one of the input he gave me was, NC, if you want to progress in your career in the organization, you need to understand that it is directly proportional to the value that you are adding to the organization. So as a growing youngster of middle age, I didn't understand what he really means. So I was just trying to seek some clarification. What do you mean by value addition? So he explained to me that whatever work that you are doing during the course of your career, ask 3 questions, and if the answer is yes for one of those questions or all of them, that means you are significantly adding value to the organization. So I didn't understand during that time, but when I pursued my career further and also last 20 years of consulting, now I really understand what he really meant. So one of the questions he said you should ask is, whatever work that you are doing, whatever output you are generating during the course of your career, is it adding value to the extent of the company can earn more money? So if it is not answering that question favorably, then you ask the second question. So having said that, if it is not adding value for increasing the revenue of the company, then the second is whether it is reducing the cost, thereby the organization profitability will go up. So if the answer is no for the second question also, then ask the third question, whatever activity that you are performing or generating output, is he really going to consolidate the company for the future, improving its sustainability over a period of time, or it's building the image of the organization and so on. So if these 3 questions are going to be negatively answered, that means whatever activity or an output you are generating is not adding value to the organization. So it is extremely important that we understand the concept of personal productivity. There's a difference between production and personal productivity. Production is something that we are generating some output, but personal productivity is something that we are adding value to one of those 3 factors what my mentor told me. So constantly we need to figure out that are we going through certain activities which has got no relevance to any of these 3 outputs, or it has got something to do with that. So it is highly important that we can keep track of those activities that are really improving our personal productivity connected to any one of these three aspects. So, having discussed this, going forward, I would like to discuss more in detail that what is the inhibiting factors that is preventing us from contributing to any one of these important outputs. So once I heard him, rest of my life, I have been constantly keeping this checklist in front of me, that everything that I do, whether it is really contributing to one of these three aspects. So I'm sure that this would have given you some better perspectives in the context of pragmatic leadership that we are discussing. So going forward, I would like to give you some more thought leadership by which you may be able to improve upon your personal productivity and equity. God bless you. Thank you very much. Wish you all the very best for your wonderful career ahead. Take care. Good day.